Fun fact, a nickel is the same circumference as a size 11 ring, and I know that because I was asked to make a coin keyring for a client. The star of the project, the nickel, is special to the client because the year on it is the birth year of his late wife. The design I came up with to highlight the coin was very simple and comprised of 3 rings. The first ring is a bezel. A bezel is a type of stone setting that refers to the band of metal that runs around a stone to hold it in place. However, instead of a stone, I'm using a nickel. Same idea, still works. For this step, I'm using 0.5 millimeter thick, or thin I should say, silver sheet. This makes the actual setting process a lot easier as the bezel is meant to be slightly taller than the edge of the stone, in this case coin, so I can easily push the edge over and actually secure it in place, which you'll see later in the video. The steps for this project are pretty repetitive, understandably so with the 3-ring design. The other 2 rings are made with 2 millimeter thick square wire, which adds both physical and visual weight to the piece. The steps, cut, solder, shape, are all the same for these. The second ring is meant to go around the coin and the bezel to create an outer body, and the third ring attaches to the back to create a backing for the piece where you can still see through to the other side of the coin without it falling out. Unfortunately, I did not record the soldering of the 3 rings together, nor the addition of the bail. However, once the soldering was complete, I filed every surface and polished both the piece and the coin and set it in place. The setting process took a bit longer than usual as the edge needed to be bent over at 90 degrees, but once that was done, I cleaned up the edge and this is what it looked like.